And welcome back to Mirror Interpretation Todorova. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ioana and I am an interpreter and a polyglot. If you like to support me, you can subscribe for $7.99 and become a member of my YouTube channel, where for this amount, you're going to have access to videos for members only. Also, if you're Spanish English medical interpreter and you like to purchase a training, medical interpreter training in two languages, Spanish English, Sistema cardiovascular system, you can click on the link below and purchase it on my platform on Thinkific. And if you like to stay positive, you can click on the merchandise below and purchase my products from my store called Serotonin. Said that, today we're going to do another consecutive interpreting practice, and this practice is called procedure consent form. And here is my screen that I always like to share with you. So we know what we're doing here. We're doing consecutive interpreting practice, procedure consent form, and 3, 2, 1. There is one line which you did not sign yesterday. I would like you to sign it now. Oh, but for what is that? What is that form about? That's for your procedure, which you are going to have today. Oh, is that going to be a surgery? This is the procedure which you discussed with your doctor yesterday. Do you remember? Oh, but I did not understand anything. What is this surgery for? I don't understand anything. Oh, you don't. Yesterday, the doctor explained you this procedure is procedure for your heart. Oh, yes. The doctor told me that after this procedure, I will go home. But I don't know. I don't know if it's going to help me. Is it for good? What do you think? Yes, this is for your heart. Do you want to do it? You want to sign this last signature and do this procedure, or you don't want? Well, yes, if it's for my well-being, if it's good for me, I will do it. I did come here to do it, so yes, okay, I will sign. Okay. So I will give you just to sign, and after that, I will explain you a few things about the document. This is the same document that the doctor talked to you about yesterday. Oh, okay, thank you. And the other paper I have here, this is a document, consent form for a blood transfusion in emergency situation to save your life. If happened that you're in this situation, do you agree to have a blood transfusion? Oh, yes, of course. If it's necessary, I agree. Yes, for sure. Oh, okay, then please sign here below. Okay, we are ready now. They're going to come and take you for the procedure shortly. Okay. Thank you. And thank you guys for being here. That was a short script, a consent form signature, not the full one, but the shorter version. Useful for you. Once again, that was medical consecutive interpreting practice, interpreting called procedure consent form signature. I think that was kind of easy, kind of simple, easiest by, as I call it, short interpretation. I hope this was useful for you. Please let me know in the link below or write me a comment. Let me know if you had enough time to interpret. Said that if you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye-bye.